Good morning. Updates. I've got a new van. Workshop 1. As I say, I've been looking for some static buildings, but the last one, I don't know, it just doesn't feel right. So I've got myself a van. We're going to go and do some mobile stuff. It's an old border control with the dogs. And I thought, well, as I say, they've got all the bits and pieces. So you've got some storage underneath there. And I've got some storage here. And it's all lockable. Everything is lockable. And then we've got more storage here. And this is an old drug cabinet. No drugs in it, but that's there. So this is my new van, and until I find some premises I really want, this is gonna do for the time being. And I've even fitted a couple of surprises if someone wants to nick it as well. I might leave some underpants in here as well. They might need to change them, I'm gonna tell you. But anyway, I'm not going to show you them because otherwise everyone's going to know. But this is the new van. We're moving forward slowly, and at least I haven't got to keep going back to the storage locker. And I haven't got this and I haven't got that. Anyway, I thought I'd show you. There she is. She's pretty clean. She's got AC. She's got all the stuff. Yeah. And as I say, new clutch, new cam belt. It had everything fitted to the flaming thing. Everything. Anyway, keep watching and see what other stupid things I go and get up to. But, yeah, this is the update for the new year. Have a good day, everyone.